मंत्र ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम शांति 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 relax open your eyes now children today I will teach you how to draw a transport now tell me which vehicles move in air helicopter rocket aeroplane and plane okay so I will draw first helicopter oval shape which shape is this oval again I will draw oval shape right which shape is this triangle now I will draw window now children which vehicle is this helicopter move in air now next plane first I have to draw oval shape again I will draw oval shape and then again I will draw oval shape I will drop some parts now I will draw window which air transport is this aeroplane right now I will draw now you tell me okay air balloon okay again now I'll draw 3 lines and then I will draw circle okay now which air transport is this is a air balloon this is a air balloon now again repeat helicopter aeroplane and last air balloon okay today I will teach you about air transport now tell me children yesterday what did in class work yesterday what did in class work क्लासवर्क में क्या किया था? रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट, राइट? टुडे आई विल टेक एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट। नाउ टेल मी रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट definition. What is road transport? We need vehicle to go from one place to another place, right? We need vehicles to go from one place to another place. हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Vehicles यूज करते हैं। Now tell me which vehicle move on road? Which vehicle move on land transport? Bus, car, bicycle, motorcycle and school van. How do you go to school? आप स्कूल किसमें जाते हो? बस या van? So today I will teach you about air transport, right? Vehicle used to travel in the air. Vehicle used to travel in the air are the means of air transport. This is the means of air transport, right? Air balloon, helicopter and aeroplane. Travel in the air by aeroplane, helicopter, right? We can travel in the air on helicopter and aeroplane, right? Helicopter pilot fly a plane. कौन चलाता है एरोप्लेन? पायलट। कौन चलाता है? पायलट। Aeroplane are used to travel from one place to another place, right? One place to another place within a short span of time. Short time में हम one place to another place पे पहुंच सकते हैं, right? Vehicles that move on land are called land vehicles, right? Bicycle, then bike, auto, bus, truck, car, train. These vehicles are moved on road या land. Now today I will take air vehicles, aeroplane, air balloon and helicopter are moved on air. Now today I will do activity of air transport, right? We need blue chart paper. I have cut paste of pink, orange and some cut paste I have, right? Now I will start. First I have take square shape, right? And then stick on blue chart paper. Now I will take two strips. Now I will stick pink. Done. Then stick some cut paste. Now children, now tell me which air transport is this? Air balloon, right? our activities is done. Our classwork page number 29 in worksheet and homework page number 30 in worksheet. Okay. Our classwork page number 29 in worksheet. First I have to write classwork and then mention date. Shyam want to visit his uncle in London. His father booked an air ticket. His father later also introduced him to other air transport. Let's color the picture. Now I will start coloring air transport. Now next air balloon. Now aeroplane. Aeroplane color is white. Now cloud color is blue. Our classwork page is done. Now next page number 30 in worksheet. First I have to write homework and then mention date. All the vehicles are jumbled here. Let us find the vehicles and circle those we can see in the air. Which vehicle move in air? कौन से व्हीकल्स एयर में मूव करते हैं? हेलीकॉप्टर. Yes, then circle it. Now air balloon. Air balloon move in air. Scooter move in air? No, move on road. Sorry. Then yak. Yak move in air? No, yak move in water. Then submarine. Submarine move in air? No. Aeroplane? Yes, then circle. Now bus move in air? No, bus move in land transport. Move in road, right? Let's draw the any one air transport. Okay. So I will draw air balloon. Okay children, our classwork and homeworks are done. Thank you.